Hello guys, you use smartphone Motorola G9 Power. This version 4GB RAM memory, 128GB internal memory. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. This is all complementation and protected back cover. Okay. And now talk about device. We have triple camera and LED. On the back side, fingerprint scanner. On the front side we have display 6.8 inch. Front camera. On this side smart key and slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key, volume keys. Downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and upside headphones jack. Display IPS, HD resolution, HD plus resolution, Android 10. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 662. This octa-core processor 4+4 cores, and GPU Adreno 610. Look results, CPU test results, and GPU test results. Okay. Look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results, okay. Close this and run the mother game GTA San Andreas. Resume game at the max graphic level. Game works good, without lags and glitches. Very good gameplay. Okay, close this. Game worked good, and now I'll show you photos on the main triple camera, 64+2+2 megapixels. Let's see these photos. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.